Hello everyone. Today I will bring you the CX-YGF4 automatic eye drop sterile filling line of Chengxiang. The production line is composed of bottle unscrambler machine, bottle feeding machine, filling and capping machine, labeling machine and bottle collecting turntable machine. This is eye drop bottle filling machine. The machine is manufactured in full accordance with GMP standards and has passed CE certification. The parts which contact liquid are SUS 316L stainless steel and others are SUS 304 stainless steel. It can also be done no bottle and no filling / plugging / capping. This is the labeling machine. It can be customized according to your products. We use the Germany Lewis label sensor. Labeling accuracy is very high, and we are also equipped with date printer optional. In summary, this CX-YGF4 automatic eye drop sterile filling line is an efficient, stable, and safe mechanical product. If you want to know more, please contact us.